One day he stopped as usual to take in water at the station by the river. Out of order? Bother, said Thomas, I'm thirsty. Never mind, said his driver, we'll get some water from the river. They found a bucket and some rope and went to the bridge. Then the driver let the bucket down to the water. The bucket was old and had 5 holes. So they had to fill it, pull it up and empty it into Thomas's tank as quickly as they could, several times over. They finished at last. That's good, puffed Thomas, and Annie and Clarabel ran happily behind.